Imagine this. Exam results come out, and everyone is shocked because you've got straight A's, but you weren't the one studying until 2 a.m. every night. You actually had time to scroll on your phone, hang out with friends, and even sleep like a normal human. How? The truth is, getting A's is not about studying harder. It's about studying smarter. Today, I'll share proven strategies that top students secretly use to get those grades without losing their sanity. And if you stick till the end, I'll give you my favorite hack that saved me hours before every exam. Part 1. Focus on class time. The first secret is this: pay attention in class. I know it sounds boring, but let me explain. Most students think learning happens when they sit down at home with a textbook. Wrong. Real learning happens when your teacher is explaining, and you're writing down just the main points. Smart students don't waste time rewriting the whole lesson later. Instead, they listen, highlight the key points, and ask questions in class. That way, when they open their book at home, the concepts already feel familiar. Part 2. Master the exam, not the subject. Here's the biggest difference between students who get B's and those who get A's. A students study the exam, not just the subject. Think about it, exams are like a game. And every game has rules. Past papers, marking schemes, and even teachers' hints are your cheat codes. Instead of reading 200 pages, go through 5 past papers. You'll see patterns. You'll notice how the same questions come back in different forms. Once you understand how examiners give marks, you'll know exactly what to write and what to skip. Part 3. Smart revision, active recall and spaced repetition. Now let's talk about revision. Most students do it wrong. They keep rereading their notes, thinking it'll magically stick. But the brain doesn't work like that. What really works is active recall. Close your book and ask, if the test was tomorrow, could I explain this to a friend? If the answer is no, that's where you focus. Combine that with spaced repetition. That means instead of cramming one night before the exam, you review little by little over days or weeks. This makes your brain think, oh, this must be important, and it stores the info long term. Part 4. Mini notes and creative memory hacks. A students don't carry around massive notebooks. They use mini notes, tiny cards, sticky notes, or even their phone. Just keywords, formulas, or short definitions. And here's a fun twist: use memory hacks. Make acronyms, create funny stories, or even memes. Example, in chemistry, to remember the reactivity series, students make silly sentences out of the first letters. The crazier, the easier to remember. Part 5. Consistency beats cramming. This one hurts to hear, but it's true. Studying 10 hours in one night is less effective than studying 20 minutes every day. Why? Because your brain learns better in short, repeated sessions. So instead of procrastinating for weeks and then panicking, build a mini routine. Review just one topic daily. It'll take less time than scrolling on TikTok, but the results? Huge. Part 6. Energy, sleep and focus. Grades aren't just about your brain, they're about your body. If you're tired, hungry, or glued to your phone, you won't remember a thing. Smart students protect their sleep before exams. They take short breaks while studying, and some even use the Pomodoro method: 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes break. This keeps your brain sharp without burning out. Part 7. My secret hack before exams. Here's the hack I promised. The night before exams, don't try to learn new stuff. Instead, make a one-page cheat sheet, just the most important formulas, definitions, or dates. Read it once before bed and once in the morning. This little trick signals to your brain, this is the stuff I must remember. And trust me, it works like magic. So here's the truth, you don't need to study all day to get A's. You just need strategy. Pay attention in class, study past papers, use active recall, make mini notes, be consistent, and protect your energy. That's how you study smarter, not harder. Now I want to hear from you. Which subject do you want me to make a full A-grade strategy video on? Math, science, literature? Drop it in the comments, and I might make your subject the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with that one friend who thinks staying up all night is the only way to pass. See you in the next one.